Hello everybody, and in front here I have two very funny cylindrical shape Tomica. First, the truck. It says event car. What event? And I don't read Chinese or Japanese, so what is this? Yeah, it opens. And it opens on both sides. And there is this tray. Yes. That okay, it's an event car, so I suppose maybe they sell things here like a food truck, merchandise truck, right? Next is this even funnier looking car. There is a door here on both sides, and there is a steering wheel, seats, and this is a Calbee. Calbee is a food company in Japan. So this is like a potato, fries, French fries. French fries on wheels. Very funny, very cute. Both is from Tomica, Japan. Made in Vietnam. Can you see it? Yes. So thank you for watching. Please support by like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.